Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome outdoors to my favorite spot by the stadium. I'm gonna fly the W500 from YuXiang, and I found that one of the propellers, as you can see, was hitting here, so I had to readjust the servo horn in order to make the motor straight. So there is another thing about YuXiang. Please pay attention to quality control during the assembly. So this motor wasn't assembled properly straight. These should be perpendicular 90 degrees, okay, to the body when assembled. So it wasn't, and it was hitting. Anyway, I've just done it and it flies very well. Let's give it a flight and see how it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Picture session. It's really stable and helps a lot to take pictures. Flying around in my favorite mode, and yeah, high speed now. I mean high dual rates. So yes, I tried this on a very windy day, as I mentioned before, and the results were not very good. But if there's no wind, you're gonna have fun with this aircraft. Now, it doesn't have much turning radius when I fly it in forward flight mode, so I will have to go slightly higher when I do that forward flight mode. But for now, I'm just enjoying some of the verticals. I mean vertical, not some, vertical and VTOL mode, because this gives you a very good thumbnail. But I don't want to copy the same thumbnail like I did for the other one, the first video. All right, this, nobody's there. So I will start the forward flight from here. And here it goes. Okay, this radius is fine. I don't know if you can see it or not, but flying it is really easy here. So I was worried about the turning radius, but given that on 50% throttle it flies very well. Turning radius is good, as you can see, and I can actually have fun right here flying it. Now I don't know if I should switch it to 3D mode or not. Right here, let's just do it. It doesn't hurt to have a crash. I don't know what kind of aerobatic was that. Oh, that was a nice alpha turn, like right there. Okay, now I'm doing my helicopter routines. All right, back to 6G mode, and after this turn I'm gonna switch to VTOL mode. I believe if you switch to vertical mode from forward flight, it will be very funny thing, and it will probably crash. It will probably crash. I don't know if you want to see it or not, but say yes if you want to see it. Come on, I didn't hear it. Say yes if you want to see me switch it from forward flight to vertical mode. Yes or no? Come on, man, I don't hear it. Louder. All right, I heard a yes. I don't know, it's coming from somewhere. From my heart, I believe. So here we go. Get ready for a crash, people. Forward flight mode. Okay, I will come from there and slow down. Oh my goodness, it actually did it. It didn't crash. Okay, let's try it again. This time I will come from that side and slow down, slow down. Ooh, I didn't expect it to do that. It is absolutely improved, people. It is improved. Look at that. Superb, man. Superb. You gotta give it to Yuxiang. Apart from those poor QC and poor quality propeller issues and poor assembly issues, this thing really has improved a whole lot, man. This thing has improved a whole lot. So switching from VTOL to vertical is very quick, but from vertical to VTOL takes time. People, flight performance really have improved in this aircraft. On this aircraft. What happened to my English? And now you can see the motors and propellers are not hitting anywhere. So my left propeller was hitting, but it's not hitting anymore. I hear a little bit from the right side. Yeah, but overall now is absolutely very, very good. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this a big thumb up. Subscribe to my channel. Stay subscribed. Hit that little bell icon. Turn on all the notifications. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.